So this is exactly how to connect your Marshall Major 4 Bluetooth headphones to your Xbox. So what you need to do instead actually is to connect it to your TV right away and not to Xbox, because it will not recognize this headphones on your Xbox, but it will recognize it if it's connected to your TV. So what we need to do instead is to go to our TV settings here. So click on settings here on your TV, scroll down and click on remotes and accessories, and then click on pair accessory. Now we need to click on this button right here, click and hold, keep holding until you'll get a blue light right here, as you can see. Then click on OK, and then connect to your Marshall Major here, as you can see. So just pair, click on pair here. And once it's paired, just go back to your Xbox now. And if your Xbox is connected to your TV, you will see that your Marshall Major will now transmit all the sounds coming from Xbox to them instead. Of course, it's gonna be fully connected. So this is like a cool workaround how you can actually connect them to your Xbox.